we are working in the rural and peri-urban districts in Maharashtra in Western India. And when SSP envisaged setting up a community health fund as an organization that would be managed by women, community women, and it would reflect the mission of what we want to do, which is have an affordable and accessible structure that provides microinsurance to rural communities. In saying that, we've designed the Community Health Fund as a mutual, as a solidarity between members, between community members who contribute their savings and pay a policy premium annually for their families to benefit from a range of services which include preventive and promotive health, primary health care through a doctor's network, discounted drugs and tests that go with it, up to 70% through community pharmacies, and a range of partnerships with health providers for hospitalization and cashless The features that make it really community owned, and there's a high level of participation of our members, is because we want this to go beyond the project to sustain and to be affordable for people. So unless it's managed and run by women who are very experienced leaders from the self-help group network, it will not be cost effective and affordable. But more important is that the community governed institution is very accountable to its members. And this we translate by giving our members all the information they need to access services, and also to understand what are the benefits for themselves and their families. So it's a very, the result is we really get informed community members as part of the Community Health Fund. And we promote a kind of two-way accountability. Our community health workers provide doorstep services and also provide day-to-day feedback to us on a regular basis on what services are needed, what services really benefit the people, like the community pharmacy. We started it without a doctor, but finally found that the doctors who are subscribed to by the community members, who are the most popular in their communities, are the best way in which both communities can actually make the doctors accountable for their services, but also feel that we are bringing in quality services to them from the network. So I think we see this as a institution that is central to people's lives in the community, because otherwise they really have to pay a very high cost when they fall ill or when they meet with any of the health shocks due to bad health conditions or the environment and so on. And we are thinking of the community fund as also focusing on the most vulnerable, like the girls and women and children. And we are thinking what products we can come up with next year for both to cover maternity and so on. So I think the responses, we see the community institution as central to being very responsive and dynamic and addressing the changing needs of the communities, especially these groups we're talking about. We're talking about community health workers who are women leaders from the self-help group network. And they are nominated by the communities, by the elected members and leaders. So they enjoy very close relationships with the community and are part of that. This is really the most central, I would say, value that they bring into the microinsurance work that we do. Their stickiness to the customers, their relationships allow them to provide services which range from referral services, health guidance, and it makes business sense when you prevent a lot of illnesses, both through the education and the promotion. And it also makes sense that when you fall ill as a member, you really want to go to someone who you can trust. And the context of our communities is that women, unless they fall critically ill, never went to any doctors. So this has actually encouraged women to consult the community health workers first, who can then guide them on where to go. They were not accessing care, primary health care for themselves. Now they are, because they can talk to a woman who is a health worker and who can also give them information which is very on time to take care of illnesses. So we often tell members who join the community health fund that when you are ill, we'll take care of you. So if you fall ill, come to us, which means that they can avail a range of services, which includes insurance and health services, of course. But the first step is really important in knowing what to do and where to go. So that's what the community health worker does.